How to make VHS effect in Capcut. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can make VHS effect in Capcut. So let's dive in. First, open your Capcut app and then choose any image that you want to work on, and then you have to just click this image over here and then scroll this menu to the left side, and here you can see you have this option of adjust. Choose it. Now you simply have to click the sharpen option and make it 100% by dragging this, and then scroll to the left side and choose grain, and then you simply have to just drag this to the right side and make it 100% and then click this tick. Now you have to go back and then choose effects. In the effects menu, go to video effects, and then you have to search for VHS in this bar. Now click search, and here you can see that it's going to bring you to this menu, and you have to choose all digital video, and here you can see that I have added this. Now you have to go back and then search for glitch. Now choose any glitch that you like. For example, I'm going to go with this one, and once you add this, you have to just go back and then just click tick over here. So that's how you do the VHS effect on Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.